This car, when we bought it for my daughter, it had already had the heater core was gone, so what they'd done is bypass the hose, so it was in a loop. So we've only got to disconnect one. This other one's been disconnected. And multi-grips are the tool to get these hose clamps off. They're also the tool to get the hose off. Usually they kind of glue themselves on, so if you open them up a bit, give it a twist, usually breaks that seal. Otherwise you can be there all day. Or the best option is to actually buy new hoses before you start the job, and just cut them off with the Stanley knives to go. Yeah, so that seal's broken there. There we go. And yeah, that was bypassed already, that's why the other end was off. I'll put that back on with the new heater core. And that's out. Okay, so this is the heater core, that's where the leak was coming from. All we need to do is take these two clamps off here. Okay, and that's it. You can see all the corrosion there where it's been leaking for a bit. And it's always pays to check everything's the same before you put it back in. You can run into problems if you don't. So that looks pretty good. That was a AliExpress, 130 Australian dollars, which is pretty good price. We'll see how long it lasts. Start the pressure up. While it's out is a good time to blow it all out with compressed air. So you need earmuffs and you also need a speed dealer sunnies. Okay, so that's all back together, and put everything back in opposite the way that we pulled it apart, and we should have some warmth.